uSilas uzopressurize uStha ukuthi phela amnike le mali ethe uzomboleka yona ukuthi azomlobola kanjani nje guys. Hayi kushubile bathi ke futhi uZandile uzotshela ama-parents akhe ukuthi they must both come clean to each other, otherwise uzoyikhuluma ke indaba zabo. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sally Live Channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Amalanga, our funny from the 16th to the 20th of June 2025 on Monday. Gumede gets a rude awakening that compromises the twins Imbelego. Babu Sbisi is over the moon with his son's return. Mangubane says firsthand what the demon rat can really do on Tuesday. Dula set in motion his plan to lobola Uthembi, and Gumede's lies are exposed when Ntombi learns that the Imbelego ceremony has already happened on Wednesday. Sabelo and Thembi are texted during rehearsal for a showcase, and they are left wondering if they have what it takes to become stars. Gumede's lies are inescapable. The star longs for her daughter on Thursday. Sabelo may have overplayed his hand with Uxoli. Zandile wants both her parents to come clean with each other, but they dig their wheel in, and Mangubane will get the money one way or another on Friday. Oli is set to expose Sabelo's lies. Dula's pressures Uthembi before the Lombola money. Star is given an ultimatum to return to Ingutu. Well, guys, this